Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here at Motorplex Hyderabad for the fifth service of my RS 457. So I am here to collect my motorcycle. The servicing and everything is done. It's just that the bike has to be washed and chain clean and lubrication has to be done. After that, I will take it out for a spin and then we will see what is the total cost involved in this service. So let me tell you, the engine oil filter, air filter, I mean to say air filter has been cleaned because I have a DNA air filter, so engine oil and oil filter is changed, and also they changed the chain tensioner. Now it has a silver color chain tensioner. Previous chain tensioner was black in color. क्या बोल रहे हैं?
मैं भी बड़े बड़े गाड़ियाँ बनाता हूँ 1000 सीसी।
हाँ, so Ismail भाई is saying he does all big bikes and all. Ismail भाई कितने साल का एक्सपीरियंस है आपको? 23 years. पूरे सुपर बाइक्स ही बनाते हैं. ओके आपका 23 इयर्स एक्सपीरियंस बोले तो एज कितना है? 38 है. तो क्या बचपन से बना रहे क्या? स्कूल नहीं पढ़े. चलो अच्छा है. So Ismail bhai is the regular technician who works on my motorcycle. So he has done the job and the chain tensioner has been replaced. Chain cleaning and lubrication has to be done. So we'll see what is the total cost of this service. And when they changed the chain tensioner, the gasket of the clutch cover was also changed. So I'll have to see. हाँ निकाल दो बाहर. So I'll have to see what is the cost of that gasket, whether they are charging me or it is covered under warranty. Bike is getting washed. I just went for a spin on the bike to check if everything is okay or not. So the bike is performing really good, and after the washing, just the cleaning and lubing is remaining. Washing is done, and right now the chain setting is going on. So they will first set the chain and then lubrication will be carried out. Loose है इस्माइल भाई चेन? Finally my bike is ready. I forgot to tell you that the throttle body cleaning has also been performed on my bike. So the charges for that also is included in the bill. So here is the bill, and you can see sixth paid service charge is 2124 rupees. That's the labor charge. They changed the engine oil, which costed 1872 rupees, and post that they added a consumable charge of 436, throttle body cleaning of 1499, and coolant top up. This is not top up. I asked for complete coolant refill, so they removed the old coolant and refilled the new coolant. So the charge for that is 999. And please note that the air filter was not changed because my bike has a DNA air filter. It was just cleaned. It does not need a replacement for the lifetime. And also the oil filter was not changed because oil filter was not available in the service center, so I got it from outside, and I got it in the local market here in Hyderabad. The same OEM filter for the oil filter for the RS 457, I got it and I installed it. So I paid extra for that, but removing the oil filter and the air filter, the charges for this service is 6,932 rupees. This includes full coolant change and throttle body cleaning also. So this is good considering the amount that I paid. So 6,900 is approx 7,000 rupees, and if I include the oil filter also, that will go up to 8,000 rupees. So this is it about the fifth service of the Aprilia RS 457. Now I am going to take it out on the road and tell you my feedback, how I feel like when I ride this beast. Today is the next day. Yesterday I forgot to charge my GoPro. The moment I took out my GoPro at the service center, I realized that it does not have any charge, hence I could not record any footage while coming back to home. So today I'm going to office and I'm going to ride my RS 457 after the fifth service. So let me tell you how many kilometers my bike has done. So it has done 26,381 kilometers, and the time is 7:15 a.m. Google Map shows 1 hour to reach office. I think it will take less. Let's see. So it's Friday morning. I'm going early for work and return back home early.
Take the next right onto Hackenberg Village Road.
So filled up fuel 1320 rupees, 12.30 liter should be good for the coming week. Let's set the trip meter to 0. I always set the trip meter to 0 whenever I do a full tank, because I want to see how much range it gives on every full tank. So it has been giving me around somewhere around 275 to 285, 290 kilometers on a full tank. So let's continue our journey to office. Riding early to office is such a breeze because you don't get to see any traffic, and commuting through the city becomes super easy. What are these guys doing here? Why is there so much water?
You should reach your destination by gate 22.
I'm trying to save my bike from water, and no matter what, it is going on slush again and again. And finally the rains have stopped in Hyderabad. Last 1 week it was raining cats and dogs. But talking about the RS 457, the bike is doing really good after the 5th service. And if you are thinking the costs were on a higher side, yes, it can be, but for every person the cost will not be same. Let me be clear about that, because my bike required throttle body cleaning. Your bike may not require a throttle body cleaning. I did not require a air filter. You might require an air filter on every service. I changed my entire coolant with a new coolant that costed 1000 rupees. For you it might not be the case, so the cost will very much vary. But if I just talk about air filter, oil filter, and engine oil general service, so it is, the general service is going to cost you around 2000 rupees, and 2000 rupees for the oil, 1500 for air filter, and 1300 for the oil filter. So total comes to be around 6800 if you just go with all these things. So roughly around 7000 rupees you can expect a full paid service of RS 457 if nothing else is wrong with your motorcycle. This is the amount that you're going to pay, and this is every 6000 kilometers. So you need to consider all these costs, because it's definitely a high maintenance machine. And the brake pad, chain sprocket, tires, these wear and tear things are additional, which you will have to consider if you are planning to purchase this motorcycle. So yeah, that's about it in this video. I hope you found it helpful. If yes, do give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. With that, I will sign off from this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.